Question 2. Explain how ABC analysis is used in inventory management and its benefits. ABC analysis is a method of categorizing inventory into 3 categories, A, B, and C, based on their importance and value. Category A, high-value items with low frequency of sales. Typically, 10 to 20% of items represent 70 to 80% of inventory value. Category B, moderate value items with moderate frequency of sales. Represents 30 to 40% of items with about 20 to 30% of inventory value. Category C, low-value items with high frequency of sales. Represents 50 to 60% of items with about 5 to 10% of inventory value. Benefits. Focused management allows prioritization of resources on high-value items, Category A. Better control, more control over high-value items which typically have a higher impact on the financial performance. Efficient stocking helps in setting different policies for ordering, stocking, and reviewing inventory levels based on item classification. If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.